Yes, I'm coming. Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, absolutely.
How are you?
Very good. And your husband asked me to come and fix up the PC.
Okay, yeah, he told me that you'll be coming.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Sit down.
Okay. Thank you very much. Wow. The house is really good.
Thank you. Come, sit first.
Mm.
You don't need anything. I have wine, I have juice, anything you want.
Yo, I didn't really want to waste much time here, but
Sure, you're okay.
I'm okay.
Like you ate before coming.
I'm very fine. I'm fine. Thank you very much
No
for coming.
problem. If you need anything, you let me know.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. This AC, we couldn't use it last night. Yes, because it's not cooling at all. Hope you know what to do.
Yeah. Sorry for disappointing you guys yesterday.
No problem. We were expecting you yesterday, but my husband told me that you said you had a call somewhere.
Yeah.
Could not come. Hope no problem.
Yeah. No problem. Everywhere is good.
You sure you don't need anything?
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay, because I
I'm
can
okay.
serve you well.
Thank you very much for caring.
You're welcome. Hope you're doing it right.
Yeah. Ma, are you okay?
I am fine.
Are you sure?
I'm in the school with you.
But I'm not yet done with the AC now. Just
You know. Okay, wait, relax. I'm coming, yeah. I'm coming. Just calm down. My friend.
Ma. So, ma, you are serious?
Yes, now with this now nobody will find out what I was doing.
Ma, I'm scared.
Nobody will find out. So we use protection, we protect ourselves, eh? Relax.
What if
now.
your husband just
No, my husband is not coming now.
Ma,
We traveled to Abuja this morning.
how sure
Before
you guys
calling
have moved?
serious. He has moved. Hey, trust me now. Fine guy, eh? Trust me. Come now. Come down. Relax, eh?
Ma, I'm
Don't
scared.
you like what you see? See me now. Eh?
Ma, okay, fine. Let me just get myself prepared. I'll join you.
Let's just go. You undress in my room.
No, let me just get myself prepared. I promise I'll join you.
Sure.
I promise I'll join you.
But why are you carrying your bag?
That shouldn't be a problem now. That shouldn't be a problem. Just go, I'm coming. Just
Are you sure?
I'm coming.
Well, don't you like what you see?
Very classy. No. Just
Relax. Hope you come.
Let me just get myself prepared.
Come, don't worry yourself about anything. When we are done, you see the way I will treat you, eh?
You look good.
Thank you. I'm
I'll
waiting
join you.
for you. My fine guy.
Ma, I'm coming now, eh?
I'm waiting.
Oh,
Please be fast.
ma, I'm coming. 1 minute. Ma, I'm coming now. We are you this 2025.